They say silence is golden, but in the world of psychology, silence is a weapon. Imagine this. Someone tries to humiliate you, shouts at you, or mocks you in front of a crowd. Most people would get angry. Most people would defend themselves. But you? You just look at them for 2 seconds, and then you look away, as if they don't even exist. That silence, it burns more than any insult ever could. Today, we're talking about the art of ignoring people. This isn't about being petty or childish. This is a ruthless psychological power move that dismantles egos and puts you in total control of any room. If you want to know how to become untouchable, don't move. Every human being has a biological need for attention. Whether it's love or hate, we want to be seen. Psychology tells us that being hated is manageable, but being ignored is unbearable. Why? Because when you ignore someone, you are inflicting social death. You are literally denying their existence. The power trap. When you react to someone's provocation, even if you're yelling back, you're giving them power. You're telling them, you are important enough to affect my mood. The power flip. When you refuse to acknowledge the attack, the power flips instantly. Now they're the ones feeling small. They start thinking, am I not even worth the reaction? Now, there is a right way and a wrong way to do this. If you look away nervously, you look weak. The secret is mastered indifference. Imagine a fly buzzing around your head. You don't get angry at the fly. You don't argue with it. You just swat it away or ignore it because it's insignificant. That is how you treat a toxic person. The 2-second rule. When someone insults you, look them dead in the eye for exactly 2 seconds. Don't frown, don't smile, just a blank, neutral stare. Then turn to the person next to you and start a completely different conversation. You've just sent a message without saying a word. Your words are noise, and I don't listen to noise. Where does this work best? In the office. When a colleague tries to talk over you or play politics, don't get defensive. Ignore the bait. Focus on your results. Your silence makes them look like the loud, unstable one, while you look like the composed leader. In relationships, if someone is using the silent treatment to manipulate you, don't beg for their attention. Give them exactly what they asked for. Absolute silence. When they see their absence doesn't break you, their power over you vanishes. The guardrail. Remember, this isn't about being a bully. It's about emotional protection. You are choosing who is worthy of your energy. The lion's mentality. The world respects people who are in control of their emotions. A person who cannot be provoked is a person who cannot be defeated. Stop throwing stones at every dog that barks at you. You have a mountain to climb. Next time someone tries to get a rise out of you, don't give them the satisfaction. Just smile, walk away, and keep winning. Because at the end of the day, a lion doesn't lose sleep over the opinion of sheep. If this opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started.